Hi guys. So I'm in the garage drilling all day today, and right now I'm at 908 holes out of 1,300 to drill. I will finish this today. You can see there's where I started, a couple of test holes here, and here's where I'm continuing on. I only have about 400 holes in that area to go before I can finish this up. So, just thought I'd shoot a quick little video. Motive Power, it says on the tube here, that's where I work, and we get a discount through Pacific Steel, and that's where I bought this under their account name to get my discount. So, when I was up hunting 2 weekends ago, I believe it was, maybe, yeah, I think it was 2. Anyway, got my elk and something else. We were up there at a place called the Boolean Mine, which is off of the Salmon River, up in middle of Idaho, near the Gospel Hump Wilderness area. And this old mine up there's got a couple of big cuts in it, one shaft that goes down into the ground pretty far. Anyway, while I was up there, we were elk hunting. I crossed the top of a ridge and found a little test hole where there was some testing going on, and I found this. I thought this was really cool because the handle's long since rotted away. As you can see, this is not your ordinary shovel. This is a riveted together, non-stamped, see the rivets here? Piece of material put together. Oh man, I don't even know how old this thing is, but I do know that you don't find shovels like this anymore. It looks like this prospector bailed on a shovel because he busted it up, probably trying to use it as a pry bar, which teaches us to use the proper tools, or else we're stranded up in the mountains with no replacement tools. So one of the things that I can read on this, try to get this up in the light, as you guys can see, it says, I believe, E.W. Moore. It's a number 2. I can't read that very well. And then there's some more writing right here in this little spot. Yeah, and I can't quite make it up. Hopefully I can throw a little bit of rust cleaner on there and maybe get it to show up a little bit better. I don't want to polish it because it could wear away the stamping. It looks like it was possibly a stamped piece of material, but most likely hand formed and riveted together. So pretty cool. Anyway, as far as the build goes, it's going really well. Got lots and lots of holes to drill. Over here in the boxes underneath my sluices is my trailer is actually in those boxes right there. That's what I'm going to be building the Trommel onto. Still haven't picked up the metal yet. Anyway, just thought I'd invite you into the garage today and shoot a short video on what it is that I'm working on and show you how far along I am. I will be finishing up with the holes today, and next weekend I can start with the whole fabrication end of it. I got to build a frame that runs the full length of this, get the pipe ready that runs through the middle for spray bars. I got to build a hopper on one end, and the frame, the wheels will be in probably just the 2 locations. I'm going to go a little bit heavier duty wheels because it's going to carry a lot of material through there. And through this area I'm going to have split rings that as it rotates, the material will fall through to the next section. It'll have to turn and toss until it falls through to the next section. It'll have to turn and toss and then fall through to the next section, and so on and so forth. And hopefully I'm going to run that down through this, about that far right there, with spray bars spraying down on it the whole way. And more than likely I'm going to have enough flow from the spray bars alone to run the sluice at the bottom. Now I've been thinking over an idea for the bottom here to run a fluid bed. I'll have it funnel down into a fluid bed just right underneath of it, have the water flow back this direction, drop in and flow across this little fluid bed, just a short one, not real big, maybe 12 inches wide total. Have 4 inches of water be able to flow down under, and it'll be pushed down by another flat bar, and then everything will blow out into the sluice on the far side. And it'll have quarter punch plate for the gold to fall through into the fluid bed, and while it's agitating, that smaller gold will get caught there, and then any chunky stuff will get caught in a sluice box. Well, that's it for today. Hope you guys are having a great weekend, and I hope your holidays are great. And bye for now.